Kaya katana lamang pakibaluan rin ang tabayan ng aktibidad ng Piyestang Kulyat 2025. Yung istorya ng Patricia Mamang.
Pasibayong bumida ing leguan ating mabanding kultura ng Siyudad Angeles para king selebrasyon ng Piyestang Kulyat 2025. Keti, pepakilala na lang Angeles City Tourism Officer Louie Lazatin, renga 20 opisyal a kandidata ning mutya ning Angeles 2025, king gana pa na discuss with us Media Forum ning Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga Chapter inyang Martis, keti king with us hotel.
Mayor John always say na these ladies should be like ambassadors of our city. They should be the face and the voice of Angeles City. So in terms of the preparation, yes, we're doing it baby steps. We do it week by week and we're surviving naman every week. And that's why this October, we came up with this October event and to partner din po with the community. Hindi naman po namin kaya gawin to na kami lang po. We have a lot of partners who also helped us in building this entire calendar.
Agpangkang Lazatin, umpisan niya yung aktibidad ng Fiestang Kulyat 2025, King Feast of the Guardian Angel, King Holy Rosary Parish, King daratang October 2 at Mayari 80, King October 31, kayagnaning pang magmasusi, King Feast of Apong Mama Kalulu. Kabilang kareng bilang kaganapan, ingaduang aldong tigtigan, terakan King King October 24 to 25, banwa-banwang daraywan, dareng lokal at turista bilang metong kareng teka masayang street party King Central Luzon. Kapag nasaning Piyestang Kulyat ing pagselebran emu ing kasalesayan ning Angeles, nune pati mo rin ing masaya at apag maragula diwa dareng Angelenyos. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.